So in this program, we're going to allow the user to select the month and then directly display the number of days in that month. You see in the output for the previous program, we have all the data over here. And this is just a simple data set with 12 numbers. But suppose that you want to look up among 1,000 employees what their salary is. You don't want to print them all out, so you want to be able to select from an array of salaries the appropriate value. Okay, so you can do it by looking up the information that is stored in the array, and you go directly to that particular value. So let's say that you give January the number 1, and what you want to do is have an index of 0, the 1 minus the 1, so it goes back to 0 over here. So let's run this little program. So over here you can choose which month you want, and I'll take June. And then it says the month of June has 30 days. Notice what happens if we use an invalid number. We'll take 13 over here, and yeah, not a good thing, does not work. Never seen this happen before. Let's run it again and see if we can run it with -1. See what happens then. Same thing again. Okay, well, let's not worry about. Let's stop it first and then try to run it. Nope, still segmentation fault. Okay, that's actually something else for operating systems, segmentation faults. Okay, but let's look at this program itself and just agree that it's probably a good idea to do some input validation of the choice here. Okay, so again, we have two parallel arrays, one strings for the names, and we just start with an index of 0 over here. Same thing for the days in the month, and we start with an index of 0 for the 31 days in January. Over here we just display it, and this time we're going to use a counter starting at 1 because we have that in over here in the little menu. We want to give January the number 1, and then when you actually look it up, you see that you have an index month -1. So month 1, January, you look it up over here and you get the 31 because that's index 0. So for the menu, to get the proper name, we just have to adjust the index again. Okay, so over here you enter your choice, and then over here we just print this out. The name choice -1 has days choice -1 because you want to keep it parallel. So if we take August, for instance, which is 8, then we have August has 31 days.